Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by turning on the floating window capability so you can use apps simultaneously. Open Settings and go to Convenience Tools or App Management. Find Floating Window or Smart Sidebar and flip the toggle. When the system asks, grant overlay permission for the apps you will use. This permission allows small app windows to appear above others. Once done, exit Settings and prepare the apps you want floating. Keep the ones you'll use frequently in recent apps for faster access. Now open the app you want in a floating window and bring up its app menu. On Realme C55, you can either long press the app icon in Recent or tap the app icon in the title bar to reveal the floating option. Choose Open in Floating Window or drag the app into the Smart Sidebar target. The app will appear in a resizable, movable window. You can drag corners to resize and drag the title to reposition. Make sure multitasking gestures don't conflict if you use full-screen navigation. Finish by managing the floating window. Resize with corners, drag the title bar to move, tap Minimize to dock or close with the X. You can also pin it for persistent overlay. Once done, combine with split screen for two active windows. If a floating app won't open, make sure overlay permission is enabled for that app, clear the app cache, or restart the phone to reset system overlays. If problems persist, disable and re-enable the floating window feature in Settings and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.